What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, y'all? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my channel. Today we have a very quick video for that ass boo. We're gonna be unbagging LashyBox. It came in a bag this month, not a box, so I'm kind of interested in seeing why. I did already cut it open just for easier access for y'all. So if y'all want to see what's in this LashyBox, stay right there, babe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? Welcome. As I said before, I am TonyaNicole. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be tackling a really quick LashyBox. I'm excited. This will be one that I am canceling, guys. February will be my last month with LashyBox, and they're going to be thrown to the wolves, boo, because yeah, I'm trying to eliminate boxes to give us more time to have more get ready with me's and stuff like that that you guys have been asking for. So LashyBox will be one of the ones that I get rid of. I do not have a drink today, guys. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all tremendously. So let's get this video on and popping. So LashyBox is a $13.99 per month lash subscription. I do just get the regular box, like their base box. You do get makeup products up in here, makeup tools, 4 pairs of lashes, all of that good stuff for $13. I do think LashyBox is a pretty decent deal. And this is the stuff that was in the bag. And I guess it didn't come in a box because of this big item here. We do not get a card with LashyBox, so I will have to look everything up and let you guys know what it is. So let's go ahead and see if December is all about the holiday cheer or if we're going to be the Grinch. All right, so first up we have from Zula Lashes, and these are the lashes in the style Queen right there. Gorgeous. I do love Zula lashes now. Before I wasn't really a fan of them, but I do like them. That's what they're looking like right there, guys. These are very, let me put it like this. These are very natural looking, loves. So, I mean, these would be good for everyday lashes, work lashes for me. So, yeah, Zula has to really step up their little game. Trust me, I do like their lashes now. Then we have from Makeup Geek. Wow, these elegant full false lashes right here. Oh, wow. I've never worn Makeup Geek lashes before. It says elegant, half short, half long lashes with a black band. Let's see. Ooh, I'm very excited to see what they look and feel like. Okay, oh girl, now this is definitely TonyaNicole. Wow, those are gorgeous. They do have the short to long cat eye look, which is super sexy. I do love these. Okay, Makeup Geek. All right, this is something new for LashyBox. Well, to my knowledge, I haven't received any Makeup Geek before from them. So I'm happy about these. Can't wait to see what the price is going to be on these bad boys. But then we get 2 pairs from LashyBox, and they have the cute little ornament packaging right here, loves. So adorable. The first lashes are called the Taylor lashes right here. Gorgeous, nice, wispy. They're not really full, but they will give you some length to your lashes. Love these. And then we got Cookie right there. They're nice, short to long lashes, beautiful. Will definitely add that drama to your eye and give you this sexy cat eye type look. So I do love these. These retail for $9.99 with LashyBox. We also got a little glue this month, and then we got a palette. And this is from Illuminati and Isabel Bedoya. There we go right here. Now, I did receive this palette in a BoxyCharm. I think I received this palette in a BoxyCharm before, and I did not want to open this one because I'm going to put this in a giveaway. So yes, I'm gonna put it in a giveaway actually in this video. You're gonna get this palette and these pair of lashes right here. So I will leave the rules down below in the description for you guys to win this right here. That was my final product in this month's LashyBox. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. We received these Zula lashes in the style Queen. From Makeup Geek, these lashes right here. From LashyBox, these lashes in the style Taylor. also these, in the style Cookie. We got a little lash glue and this palette right here from Illuminati and Isabel Bedoya. I'm not sure if I said the name. These 5 products are right here, my loves. Final thoughts on this box was I thought it was actually pretty decent. For $13.99 to get a palette like this that we received in BoxyCharm. And I think the price was kind of like outrageous if I'm not mistaken. But how cool is that? Like to get it in a $13 subscription, that is amazing. Also to get 4 pairs of beautiful lashes. Whew, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. LashyBox will be one that I'm dreading giving up, but I just have so many lashes that I'm not using, guys, and it really doesn't make sense to keep getting them because I have so many that I'm not using. But this box or bag, whatever, is amazing each month. $13, you can't beat it. Like, I thought it was pretty decent for December. So if I had to rate it on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, burn all the damn lashes. To 5 being this box is a bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying. TonyaNicole is going to give LashyBox for the month of December a whopping 4.5. I really enjoyed the box. I love LashyBox and I hate to have them go off my channel, but buy LashyBox in February. But I did like this box, guys. If you guys want to, let me know down below in the comments what you thought about LashyBox. Let me know if you get this subscription or not. All of the links for this box will be down below. Also, guys, if you have not subscribed to your girl, you need to go ahead on and do so because it's fun over here. It's bomb over here and we live all the time. Oh. And what else? What else I want to tell you guys? Oh, guys, so as many of you all may know, which I keep saying it in every video is because I'm so excited right now, I did get engaged. I'm so excited. So I'm trying to pick out dates right now. I'm not sure if we want to do it next year in 2021 or if I want to wait till the beginning of 2022. I'm not really sure, but I know it's going to be a winter wedding. So all of my planning, all of my places that I go, I will definitely be taking you guys along. And so y'all can experience all of this stuff with me. Y'all can, look at venues with me and well, you can't taste test, but I can show you some of the food we may have. I can try to show you some of the dresses. Now, y'all won't see my dress, but I can show you some of the styles that I like and want to try on. If you want to, on Instagram, go over there and start tagging me in some of these bridal dresses that you think would be flattering for TonyaNicole. That way I can check them out. That would be really sweet of you guys if you did that. And yes. Just tag me in those and I'll go check them out. But I will be taking you guys on my wedding planning journey. I promise I will not be a bridezilla. Not true. I will be. But I like things to be perfect. I have my vision and I hope it's executed the way that I want. So that's all that I have, loves. I thought I would just share that with you guys. And now I'm going to go do nothing because I'm off today. Well, probably I'm at work when this video is out, but filming this today, I'm off. So, all right, loves, I will talk to you all in the comments and on my next video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Interact with me, like this video, thumbs it up, all that good stuff. Okay? Bye.